I want to inject this in before the video starts, but guys, hey, make sure you watch the entire video. We're trying to get the watch time up, trying to get monetized. Hey, at the end of the day, we got the subscribers. We're just trying to get the watch time up. So I greatly appreciate it if you guys watch the entire video. I'm gonna try to keep it as entertaining as possible. That's just me. If you know me personally, you know I like to just have a good time. So at the end of the day, enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Watch so serious. Watch so serious. What's going on, Serious Nation? It's your guy, Serious Mindset, back with another video. First and foremost, if anything, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because there's a lot of people that's watching, but they haven't subscribed. So I need you to hit that sub button. Let's wait. All right, thank you. I appreciate it. But nevertheless, after you hit that sub button, make sure you hit that notification bell and make sure you give this video a like. I greatly appreciate it. And then the most important thing, make sure you drop a fire emoji right after Why So Serious. I greatly appreciate it. But nevertheless, I always rub my eyes when I turn on the camera. That's just something that I just do. Just try to make sure cosmetically I don't have no eye boogers. We have an issue, and we have several issues. My God. But the first issue, let me go ahead and edit this and get this taken care of, and then we're gonna get in the truck, and then we're gonna ride or whatnot, and then we're gonna go from there. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the deal. So the other day I was turning to a gas station, and this car, for whatever reason, just wanted to hog the lane. Now the front end, when I was making the right turn, the front end got it in good, but it was the rear end where I had to and you know, it was me. I should have went on ahead and just took my time and just stopped like I always do. I'm very OCD particular about my vehicle and people trying to boss you off the road or whatnot to avoid any type of damage. So I should have just stopped and let them figure out where they need to go. But nevertheless, you can see here, guys, that I rashed the rim. So now I'm breathing hard too, because it's hot as crazy outside. Like, I never expected it to be this hot, but nevertheless, yes. This is curved right here to the metal, as you can see. Now the paint, remember I ceramic coated this wheel a couple of videos ago, well, a lot of videos ago. So it's gonna be interesting to see if these guys can match this or whatnot. But nevertheless, let me go ahead and pack this up and get in the truck and go to the actual rim shop, and then we're gonna see if they can do something about it. All right guys, so stay tuned. I'm talking fast like crazy, like like those guys that be in the auction. 25. So what's so serious? All right guys, so we are in the truck. As you see, the rim is back there chilling, parlaying. And then I have a special guest. You want to say hello? What's that mean?
Peace.
What does peace mean? I like your hair.
It's messy.
This is true, but I said I like your hair. I gave you a compliment.
Thanks.
Wow. You want to start a YouTube channel? You ain't showing no type of personality. Okay. But anyway, guys, so going back to the story, right? I think the craziest part of the hold on, let me let you guys hit a rim, man. Let you guys know what we sitting like, man. Hold on, we're gonna see. What do I always say?
Hold on to your dependencies.
It don't sound the same. Oh, okay. All right, so I think I might have to get a tune-up. It don't sound the same. Hold on. Nah, it don't sound the same. I might have to give me a pedal commander or something. But nevertheless, you know, the story that goes behind this rim is because when I was at the gas station, I came out, I aired out to the ground, because I always air out to the ground when you're at the gas station, no matter if it's road rash on the wheel or not. But this older gentleman came by, and he was just like, man, that is a nice big scratch on your wheels. I say, oh man, in my mind, I was just like, man, if you don't get your... So right then and there, in my mind, I was like, okay, if he spotted it, and I don't know if he was paying attention, he couldn't be paying attention, but if he spotted it, that means everybody else is gonna spot it. So nevertheless, I don't really feel like driving it. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I don't feel like driving it unless, you know, I already buy a new set of wheels, or, you know, now that may be my mentality, you know, don't judge, but you know, I'm just very particular about my car or whatnot, because like I said, it's literally a driving billboard, you know what I mean? That's what I wanted to create, and that's what it's doing right now. But that's kind of like salt in the wound type moment or whatnot, and I was just like, ugh. So yeah, my day was all messed up when I done that. I was sad. I didn't even say nothing to baby girl or the wife. I was just like a big kid that just lost his most important candy. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, we're gonna check out this guy, my guy again, Fuush, Estela Fuush, recommended this guy, so he's been hitting me up. He's gonna see if he can get it color matched. Now, the thing about these wheels is they're different. Like, I don't know what Dodge was thinking about when they made it, but it's not like a true black. It's not like a true metallic. Like, I've been looking on forums and stuff and trying to figure out what's the real color of these wheels, and like, ain't no real color. Everybody's just like, I don't know.
So I have a question. So like, what is that, like powder coating or something like that?
No, that's factory, man.
Factory
so the only thing that I did do to it is I did a ceramic coat.
Oh, you did ceramic coat?
I did do a ceramic coat on the actual wheel.
Which one? Like what brand?
It's the Q2 rim. Q2 rim.
Okay.
You ever heard of them? It's a blue box. It's Q2.
Yeah, it's too many brands right now.
Oh shoot, yeah, it's a Q2 rim.
Yeah, so like the only issue I have right now,
okay,
like most of the repair never will be the same, but the stuff we can do here, we can try and find the same color. That color is like had too many like pearl on it.
You're right.
So look like in some point like look like silver, but sometimes like look like purple a little bit.
Yeah, like like a off black type. Yeah,
it's like
especially when you clean it up, because right now you can see it's dirty. So you know, when you,
it will be hard to match this color.
Okay.
Little toners, but if you want to like do like exactly color.
Well, I mean, so I don't want to go too exact. I just want to make sure that, because you know, when I did it, you know, people notice it because I have a bag. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram or whatnot, but I have a bag wide body. So with it being bag and I drop it down, especially with the tire stickers, everybody want to come by and do like this. They want to come by and look and like, oh man, they want to do all it. So it's noticeable.
Believe me, I fixed too many wheels before, and then like the way I do, it's like.
Yeah, I know. I see your work. So. Man, you gotta look. Give them your social media, man, so they can follow you. Look, this is what I do.
Just remember this logo. This is my logo. This is my brand. Carritos, yeah.
Carritos Auto Detailing, guys. So it's Instagram, and your Instagram will be linked in the description. So if you guys haven't checked his work out, because he was referred by Fuush. So one of the things between me and Fuush, car reviews with Fuush, is that We're very particular about our cars. So his work came highly recommended. So what I'm gonna do, Carrito, right? Carrito?
Carrito, yeah.
So what we're gonna do is, Carrito, I'm not about to run over there and do all that. Do the best that you can with it.
Okay.
I'm gonna trust you, okay?
Okay, I will do my best. Well, you feeling like scared, aren't you?
Oh man, I don't even want to drive it no more now. Cause you know when that old guy came to me and he was like, oh man, look, this is what he done. Came over, he was just like, oh man, that's something. So if he looked at it, I was just like, oh my God, I can't drive it. I can't drive it. Look, we just out here talking, like, look how big this thing is. Like, man, oh my God, that thing is huge. But what I'm gonna do, I'm sorry to cut you off, Carrito. Yeah. So what we gonna do, Carrito, is when I come back and pick up the wheel, we're gonna do an interview. So guys, this will gonna happen just like this, but for me, it probably might be the next 2 or 3 days, but I have to interview you guys. Carrito has a tremendous story. Oh my God, tremendous story. I love it because it's motivational stuff. If you watch my channel before, guys, you know that I interview guys that are in entrepreneurship, the motivational stuff. They don't have no excuse. And man, bro, I gotta give you accommodation on that, man, because your story, it will motivate people. It will motivate people. So guys, stay tuned for that. So when I come back, we're gonna interview Carrito. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna talk how he basically your story. So I'm gonna tell your story, okay? Yeah. So nevertheless, guys, just stay tuned.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Watch some serious.